There's a new trillion-dollar name heading to the stock market. The company behind one of the most powerful AI systems in the world just filed to go public. But before you get excited, there's something you need to understand. You can't buy it yet.
On June 1st, 2026, Anthropic confidentially filed for an IPO. Now, filing is not the same as trading. A confidential filing means the paperwork is in. It does not mean there's a price, a date, or shares you can actually buy today.
So who is Anthropic? They're the company behind Claude, an AI assistant used by businesses around the world. We're talking over 300,000 business customers, with their largest accounts growing more than 7 times in a single year.
The growth numbers are what's turning heads. Reports suggest Anthropic is on track to more than double, possibly nearly triple, its annualized revenue toward roughly $26 billion next year. That kind of curve is exactly what gets a company to a trillion-dollar conversation.
On valuation, here's the picture. In private funding rounds, Anthropic has been valued in the hundreds of billions, with reports of rounds pushing past $300 billion. The IPO itself could aim much higher, but notice the word could. Nothing is locked in.
Now the part that protects you. Right now you cannot buy Anthropic stock on a normal brokerage. Anyone telling you to buy the Anthropic ticker today is either confused or trying to sell you something fake. There is no public ticker yet. Period.
Here's how a pre-IPO actually works. The company files, then it sets a price range, then it lists on an exchange. Early access usually goes to big institutions first. Regular investors typically get in only once it's publicly trading, often after the first pop has already happened.
So what's the smart way to watch an IPO like this? Wait for the official filing details to go public. Look at the real revenue and the real losses. Check the lockup period. And never ever buy a hyped name just because you're afraid of missing out. Fear is not a strategy.
And remember, SpaceX just did this same dance days earlier with the biggest IPO in history. I broke that one down in another video. The IPO wave of 2026 is officially here.
If you want me to track this Anthropic IPO and tell you the moment real details drop, comment the word IPO below. That's the magic word, IPO.
This is education, not financial advice, and nothing here is a recommendation to buy. Do your own research. See you in the next one.